Hi, beta. How's your day?
Hi, Mama. Not pretty good.
Why? You look so tired.
Mama, I can't see clearly from a distance. I asked my teacher to change my seat, but even in the front row, everything looks blurry.
Don't worry, I'll make an appointment with good eye specialist, okay?
Okay.
Now go get changed and we will have lunch first.
Hello,
Hello.
how can I help you today?
I would like to book an appointment for my daughter Ruhi.
Are you planning to take the appointment for tomorrow?
Yes, for tomorrow.
Alright, I have scheduled the appointment for tomorrow.
Okay.
Hello, ma'am.
Hello. I have an appointment for Ruhi.
Okay, let me check.
You can go there. Thank you. Most welcome, ma'am.
Hello, doctor. Hello, please be seated. Hello, Ruhi. How are you today?
Thank you. I'm fine.
So, what brings you to my clinic today?
Doctor, recently in school, I'm not able to read what's written on the board.
Ruhi had been anxious for the past few days and she wanted to consult a doctor.
You wait here. I'm taking her for an eye checkup. Come, Ruhi. Put your chin on the chin rest. Now focus on the house you can see in the distance. You can sit up straight. Now relax. Good job. There is no need to worry so much. Come. Okay. Now try to read those alphabets on the screen.
N,
Mm-hmm.
K,
Mm-hmm.
D,
Mm-hmm.
N, S, K, H, N, Z, H, K, R, D, N, K. Doctor, I can't read the letters. They are too small.
Okay, wait. Now try reading the next line.
K, H, S, H, K.
Okay. Now try reading the nearer ones from this book.
Here is the various conditions may cause cataracts to form.
Good. Relax. I've examined you thoroughly, Ruhi. What you have is myopia or short-sightedness.
But doctor, what is myopia? What causes it?
Myopia is when people are not able to see distant objects.
Okay, but can you tell me the reason behind this?
You are a pretty inquisitive child, Ruhi. Okay, Ruhi, you must have studied about eyes and their defects.
Yes, doctor. It's the next chapter. Our teacher is going to teach us. But I've already looked at the chapter and read it.
Okay, so tell me the answer to this question. Listen carefully. In which part of the human eye is the image of an object formed? I will give you 4 choices: iris, retina, cornea, or pupil.
It's the retina. The light from any object is converged by islands on the retina and we can see things.
That's a perfect answer, Ruhi. Very good.
But doctor, can you explain to me about retina and other options as well?
I will show you a picture in which you will be able to understand better. Okay, Ruhi? Our eye is like a camera with a lens. The cornea focuses the light. This circular structure is iris with an opening in the middle called pupil. Light passes through the pupil and refracts through the lens to form an image of the object on the retina, which is made of light-sensitive cells. Now, light-sensitive cells convert light energy into electrical signals, and the signals are relayed to the brain through the optical nerves. The brain interprets the signals and forms the image that we see. So, in myopia, the image of a distant object is formed in front of the retina and not the retina itself. This defect may arise due to excessive curvature of the eye lens or elongation of the eyeball. This defect can be corrected by using a concave lens of a suitable power.
But why a concave lens?
Ruhi, concave lenses are diverging lenses which bring the image back onto the retina and thus the defect is corrected. A concave lens is thinner in the center and thicker at the edges. When you wear glasses with concave lenses, they diverge light rays before they enter your eye. This adjustment moves the focal point back onto the retina, thereby making it very easy to see the objects clearly.
Okay, I get it now. So, my mom's difficulty in seeing things up close might be because of her eye lens.
Exactly, Ruhi. You're very perceptive. This condition, where the eye lens does not converge light properly or the eyeball is shorter than normal, is known as hypermetropia or farsightedness. It happens because the light rays from nearby objects are focused behind the retina.
Okay, and the solution for it would be wearing a convex or a converging lens, which will provide the additional focusing power for forming the images on the retina.
Absolutely.
Doctor, are there any other conditions that make it hard to see things?
Yes, Ruhi. There is another condition called presbyopia. This is seen mostly in older adults. People with presbyopia find it difficult to see nearby objects comfortably and clearly without the use of corrective glasses.
So, they would be requiring both concave and convex lenses.
That's correct. Now, answer this question. A person went for a medical checkup and found that the curvature of his eye lens is increasing. Which defects is he likely to suffer from? A. Myopia. B. Cataract. C. Presbyopia. Or D. Hypermetropia.
The answer is myopia.
Good, Ruhi. You are a very inquisitive child and this will help you in the future.
Thank you, doctor. I understand much better now.
You're welcome, Ruhi. Remember, regular eye checkups and the use of corrective glasses is going to help you a lot. Please do not hesitate if you have any queries in future. Come here and ask me. I'll be happy to answer.
Thank you, doctor. We will.